Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone!
Welcome to Day 15 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In Day 14, you learned how to talk about the past.
And today, we're going to learn how to make small talk in English.
This is very useful in real life because small talk helps you start conversations with coworkers, classmates, neighbors, or new people.
Small talk is simple, light conversation. It is not deep or serious. It is just a friendly way to connect with someone.
For example, you can ask simple questions like, "How are you?"
Or, how's your day going?
Or, "How was your weekend?"
These are very common small talk questions, and they are easy to use.
Let's look at some simple answers.
I'm good, thanks.
My day is going well.
It was nice, thank you.
I stayed home and relaxed.
I visited my family. Very good.
You can also ask simple follow-up questions. Really?
That sounds nice. What did you do? Did you have a good weekend?
Small talk is often about simple topics. Your day, your weekend, your plans, the weather.
You do not need perfect English. You just need simple, friendly phrases.
In the next part, you're going to listen to a full small talk conversation. Just listen first. Don't repeat yet.
Try to understand the situation. Listen to how we start the conversation and how we keep it going.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
So, stay with us and let's continue. Now you're going to listen to a full small talk conversation. In these conversations, we are using simple English to be friendly and keep the conversation going.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will answer using your own ideas.
So first, just listen, understand the situation, and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
Hey, Jake.
Hey, Emma.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too. How's your day going?
It's going well. I'm a little tired, but I'm okay.
That's good. Did you do anything interesting today?
Yes, I did. I went to the gym this morning.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was good. And what about you? How's your day going?
It's going well. I worked this morning and then I had lunch at home.
That sounds nice.
Now, let's listen to another example.
How was your weekend?
It was really nice.
What did you do?
I visited my family, and on Sunday, I stayed home and relaxed.
That sounds great. Did you go out?
No, not really. I just stayed home.
Sometimes that's the best plan.
True. How was your weekend?
It was good. I met a friend and watched a movie.
Nice. What movie did you watch?
A comedy.
Sounds fun. Now, let's listen to one more example.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Jake.
Are you busy today?
A little, yes. I'm going to work this afternoon.
Oh, okay. And what are you doing tonight?
Tonight, I'm going to stay home and watch TV.
Nice. I'm going to meet a friend for dinner.
That sounds good. Have a great time.
Thanks.
Now, let's listen to another small talk conversation. Hey, Jake.
Hey,
How's your week going?
it's going pretty well. I've been busy, but everything is okay.
That's good. Did you do anything fun this week?
Yes, on Tuesday, I went out for coffee with a friend.
Nice. Where did you go?
We went to a cafe near my house.
That sounds lovely. What about you? How's your week going? It's going well. I worked a lot, but yesterday evening I relaxed at home.
That sounds nice too.
Now, one more short example.
Hi, Emma.
Hi.
Are you doing anything this weekend?
Yes, I am. I'm going to visit my sister.
Oh, nice. Where does she live?
She lives near the city center.
That sounds good. What about you? Are you doing anything this weekend?
Not much. I'm going to stay home and relax.
That sounds perfect.
I think so too. So in these conversations, we are using small talk to start and continue a friendly conversation.
We ask simple questions. We give simple answers.
That is very important because in the final part, you will talk about your own day, weekend, and plans.
So first, just listen, understand the situation, and get familiar with the phrases.
Then in the final part, we will practice together. Now that you listened to the full conversation, let's practice the most useful small talk phrases together.
This time, repeat the key phrases out loud after us.
This is the moment to speak. And don't worry about being perfect.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
How's your day going?
It's going well.
How was your weekend?
It was nice.
What did you do?
I stayed home and relaxed.
That sounds nice.
Very good.
Now let's practice a few longer phrases.
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
My day is going well.
My weekend was really nice.
I visited my family.
I met a friend and watched a movie.
Tonight, I'm going to stay home and relax.
Excellent.
Now it's your turn. This time, answer with your own ideas.
How are you?
How's your day going?
How was your weekend?
What did you do?
What are you doing tonight?
Take your time and answer out loud.
Now, one more time, a little faster.
Are you busy today?
Did you do anything interesting this week?
Did you go out last weekend?
Are you going to stay home tonight?
What are you doing this weekend?
Very good. Today, you learned how to make small talk in English.
And this is only day 15,
Tomorrow, we're going to learn how to make friends in English.
so you can start more personal and natural conversations.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 16.
See you tomorrow.